Festivals are the celebration of togetherness in India. They play an important role to build a better society where positive values flourish in relation and the spirit of cooperation prevails. Thus, relationships are the essence of any festivity, and Raksha Bandhan is a celebration of one such relation. It celebrates the bond of affection between brothers and sisters. It is a day when sibling and friends pray for each other's well-being and wish for their happiness and good health. There are various stories and legends in our mythology where gods have tied the Rakhi or sacred thread to protect their loved ones from the evil. During the historical struggle for independence in our country, Rabindranath Tagore had also used Rakhi to bring harmony and brotherhood between the Hindus and Muslims to seize the decision of parting Bengal by the British. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Shravan according to the Hindu lunar calendar. So today, Arvachin International School is celebrating this unconditional bond of love and protection by organizing a digital assembly on Raksha Bandhan. Let's begin the event by seeking blessings of Almighty through the prayer हमको मन की शक्ति देना by Navya and Tanvi of class 5A.
हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, भेदभाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके, दोस्तों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके, झूठ से बचे रहे, सच कदम भरे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मुश्किलें पड़े तो हम पे इतना कर्म करें, साथ दे जो धर्म का, चले तो धर्म पर, खुद पे हौसला रहे, बदी से ना डरे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, हमको मन की शक्ति देना, हमको मन की शक्ति देना। धन्यवाद।
Real emotions need to be shared and deserve to be expressed as gracefully as possible. And what could be better medium than a poem to do so? Now, the students of classes 1 to 4 will recite English and Hindi poems on this occasion.
नमस्कार, मेरी कविता का नाम है राखी। आया राखी का त्योहार, सुबह
unselfishly the many things you have done, all the times that you were there. Help me know deep down inside how much you really care. Even though I might not say, I appreciate all you do. Richly blessed is how I feel having a brother just like you. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम चैतन्य देव है। आज मैं आप सबको रक्षाबंधन पे एक कविता सुनाने वाला हूँ। प्रीत के धागों के बंधन में स्नेह का उमड़ रहा संसार, सारे जग में सबसे सच्चा होता भाई बहन का प्यार। नन्हे भैया का है कहना, राखी बांधो प्यारी बहन, राखी बांधो प्यारी बहन। सावन की मस्ती दिल फुहार मधुरिम संगीत सुनाती है, मेघों की डोलता पर वसुंधरा मुस्काती है। आया सावन का महीना, राखी बांधो प्यारी बहन, राखी बांधो प्यारी बहन। धरती ने चंदा मामा को इंद्रधनुष राखी पहनाई, बिजली चमके खुशियों से ये रिमझिम जीने झड़ी लगाई। राजी खुशी सरा तुम रहना, राखी बांधो प्यारी बहन, राखी बांधो प्यारी बहन। धन्यवाद।
Everyone, I am Agranay of 4B. Today I am going to recite a poem written by famous poet Vikram Seth for his sister Aradhya. The title of my poem is Rakhi. It celebrates the feeling of trust between a brother and a sister. I had forgotten the time of year. Your Rakhi came, showing how things have changed and are the same. I know it was a contract of trust with more than you. I know I left home too many years ago. I placed the golden thread across my wrist. That done to struggle with my left hand to tie it on. You should have done that. I too have lost half the ring. I promise you your gift in 70. Those future numerals look curious. The brother was strange. We meet each other. How we meet each other? Only the custom stays, educing from the past the undying days.
Raksha Bandhan in Sanskrit means the bond of protection. This festival ritually celebrates our love and reminds us of our duties towards our family and friends. Let's learn more about the significance of this festival with an eloquent and powerful speech by Ansh Bansal of class 5B.
Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates the bond of a brother and sister. This festival is celebrated in the Hindu religion. It is one of the most important festivals. In addition, sisters and brothers wait eagerly for it all round the year. People celebrate it with abundant zeal and enthusiasm in India. Similarly, it does not matter whether you are a kid or an adult. Brothers and sisters of all ages celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Furthermore, it strengthens a bond between them as well. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravan, that is in the month of July or August. The word Raksha means protection and the word Bandhan means bond. Thus, Raksha Bandhan signifies the bond of protection that a brother promises to a sister. Raksha Bandhan is mentioned in our epics as the festival of gods. It is said that Yamuna, the sister of Lord Yama, used to tie a Rakhi on her brother's wrist every Shravan Purnima. As we all know, siblings carry a special place in our hearts. However, the particular bond of a brother and sister is very unique. The care they have for each other knows no bounds. The love they share is beyond compare. No matter how much they fight with each other, they always stand behind them in support. Brothers and sisters fight with each other over trivial matters. In other words, we can say that they share a bond which is full of teasing and love. Brothers and sisters help us to grow. At every stage of our lives, the bond between them grows stronger. They stand with each other through thick and thin. The elder brothers are very protective of their younger sisters. Similarly, elder sisters care a lot for their younger brothers. The younger ones look up to their elders, always wish best for their brothers and give blessings to him. Life's best lessons can be learned from her. The bond of love never breaks. Even geographical distances doesn't matter. Such is the bond between a brother and sister. Raksha Bandhan is all about celebrating this bond. It is a symbolism of the unique and special relationship shared by the two. This day has been rightly recognized to have a good time and focus on this beautiful relationship. It serves as a symbol of their love, togetherness and confidence in each other. In a nutshell, this festival is not only about tying a thread, but it is also about protection of every aspect, irrespective of gender, bond and other factors.
Songs bring tears to our eyes and can aptly portray our love and emotions for our families. So now, Fianch Vashisht of class 5C will sing a beautiful song which shows the true love of a brother for her sister.
La 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 फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है 1000 में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तो दूर तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हुए चूर ला 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 जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तो दूर तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हुए चूर आँखों में नींद ना मन में चैना है 1000 में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है देखो हम तुम दोनों हैं एक डाली के फूल मैं ना भूला तू कैसे मुझको गई भूल ला 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 देखो हम तुम दोनों हैं एक डाली के फूल मैं ना भूला तू कैसे मुझको गई भूल आ मेरे पास आ कह जो कहना है 1000 में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है सबका कहना है सबका कहना है
Dance is an energetic and musical way to express our feelings. It is an eminent part of our celebrations. So now, the students of class 3 will present our dance performance.
ओ बहना मेरी बहना तुझसा ना कोई अपना संग मेरे यूं ही रहना तू ओ बहना मेरी बहना संग मेरे ज्यादा हंसना, कभी थोड़ा रूठ लेना तू। छोटी है तू कभी कभी मुझसे है बड़ी, माँ जैसी तू कभी दोस्त मेरी। Oh my sister, you're my first friend. Together we cry, together we smile. You're my special girl, you're my sister love. You're the best thing I could ever get. ओ बहना मेरी बहना, तुझसा ना कोई अपना, संग मेरे यूं ही रहना तू। ओ बहना मेरी बहना, संग मेरे ज्यादा हंसना, कभी थोड़ा रूठ लेना तू। छोटी है तू कभी कभी मुझसे है बड़ी, माँ जैसी तू कभी दोस्त मेरी। Oh my sister, you're my first friend. Together we cry, together we smile. You're my special girl, you're my sister love. You're the best thing I could ever get.
Now let's learn how to make a beautiful Rakhi.
Good morning everyone. Today Ahana Goel of 5V is gonna make a Rakhi. Some materials required for this Rakhi is decorative materials, a foam sheet, ribbon, glue and scissors. Let's start making this amazing. See, we made this Rakhi from the all material list I have given. Thank you everyone.
Festivals celebrate our culture and traditions. They add structures to our lives and connect us to our family, friends and society. They give us the message of harmony, peace and happiness. On the auspicious day of Raksha Bandhan, let's all pray for the long and happy life of our loved ones. Now let us all stand for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल